All right, here we are. My wife, Miss Annabelle.
I'm cooking. Do you know what is this?
This is dried fish.
With
Tomatoes.
it tastes good.
There's little Bruno.
Bruno want to try it.
She
Look
says
at
it
that.
tastes good. I don't know.
It tastes good.
You say so.
Also have more tomato.
Very smelly.
It's smelly but yummy. It's just like something. It's smelly.
Ay, ay, ay. Watch it.
Smell is
PG.
yummy. Delicious. Dried fish. Let's eat with more tomato.
What? Sarap, sarap.
Masarap talaga. More rice.
The neighbors like it. I think he told us that he likes dried fish too. Mr. Goody.
Look at that soup now. Okay, I'll try it a little. Yummy. Dried fish from Philippines.